OK, so when it comes to intelligent tools, there's one range that can help you handle almost anything and everything. Ryobi One Plus. Their patented IntelliCell high-capacity battery technology is like nothing else.
Driving advanced brushless motors that give you more power. And of course,
longer run time.
And watch this. One battery powers over 200 tools, from things like this to this. It's one of the cleverest, most comprehensive range of battery-powered tools on the planet.
So, what have we learned?
Ryobi, over 200 intelligent tools, clever technology, brilliant battery.
Correct. Shall we?
Ryobi. Work smarter, not harder.